Hey everyone, we're unboxing the Merlyn Mind Symphony Classroom today. I just got this, my personal unit in the mail. It says, discover the freedom of a Merlyn powered classroom. And then here you can see it says AI enabled classroom hub. So let's open it up. Got some tape here. So roll this open, and on the top here I've got a nice little text that says merlyn.org/installation. Please read quick start guide before proceeding, but we're going to proceed anyway. As I pull this down, let's see, we've got some nice instructions saying how to open this. We've got an orange box here, which I'll save. It has instructions and looks like HDMI and a remote. And then inside the box, we have these nice little folders here. And we have the Symphony Classroom device. Let me just move this box. Okay, Symphony Classroom device. Okay, and as I open the Symphony Classroom device, I see it is a large speaker. On the top, you can see it has a power button, it has what looks to be a source button, a play and pause button. These are volume controls, and then it looks like a speaker mute and a microphone mute. And then I see that there are, it looks like 7 microphones on the top. And then on the back of the device, we've got HDMI in, 1, 2, and 3. We've got an HDMI out that will go to your TV or your projector, power switch, and then 3 USB A's, 1 USB-C, Ethernet port, and then a line in and line out. And then on the bottom, we have, it looks like a bracket for wall mounting or a stand. Let's see what's in the box. All right, so open the box up, and the box has, hello, I'm Merlyn, with again the QR code for learning more about Merlyn at the support page, and then same thing in French, a setup checklist for Symphony Classroom device and for the teacher computer, and then I have an installation guide, using your Air Mouse, and some limited warranty information. Okay, as I look in the box, I've got a remote. This is the Merlyn Mind remote, and it looks like it has power, Air Mouse, remote microphone. This is a scroll wheel with a selection in the middle. Volume controls, mic mute, speaker mute, play controls, back, home, settings, and then a source. And it looks like there's a cord here that will go around the remote to hold it in place. I've got a stand for the Symphony. If I'm going to place it on a desk, this is the stand that we saw earlier with some screws that go with it. And then in this section here, we have a AC adapter with the plug to the wall, and then an HDMI cable. On the next video, we'll boot it up for the first time and see what happens.